Welcome to this video on natural language processing, or NLP, one of the most exciting and rapidly evolving fields in artificial intelligence today. So what exactly is natural language processing? At its core, NLP is a branch of AI that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. It bridges the gap between how humans communicate and how machines process information. NLP relies on two key disciplines, linguistics and machine learning. Early NLP systems used rule-based approaches, where developers manually coded grammar rules. However, modern NLP uses deep learning models that learn patterns from massive amounts of text data. A foundational concept in NLP is tokenization, breaking text down into smaller units like words or sentences so a machine can analyze them. From there, machines perform tasks like part-of-speech tagging, named entity recognition, and sentiment analysis to understand meaning and context. One of the biggest breakthroughs in NLP came with the introduction of the transformer architecture in 2017. This led to powerful models like BERT, GPT, and more recently, large language models like GPT-4 and Google's Gemini. These models can write essays, answer questions, translate languages, and even hold conversations indistinguishable from humans. Today, NLP powers tools we use daily, virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, real-time translation apps, email spam filters, and AI chatbots like ChatGPT. Despite its progress, NLP still faces challenges, including handling sarcasm, cultural nuance, bias in training data, and low-resource languages. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.